Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build an AI workflow that automatically generates a real PowerPoint presentation. So generally, generating Word documents is usually a straightforward process, but PowerPoint has always been a little bit different. And if you have been tried building PowerPoint automation using Power Automate, you might have probably come across the same challenges. You need a PowerPoint templates, you need placeholders mapping, sometimes you need Microsoft Graph APIs or third-party connectors to build out any PPT. And as the presentation changes, then those templates has also needs to be maintained. So that's quite a challenging stuff. So today, instead of trying building every slides ourselves, we are going to build one AI workflow that can actually take care of building out or generating the PPTX file for us. So we'll start with a SharePoint list where we'll keep the data like project and the detail about the proposal. And then we are expecting that on addition of this SharePoint item, we are expecting our AI workflow to kick in that is built with the Copilot Studio and will generate the PowerPoint PPTX file for us and create a link over here. So I'll try creating one proposal over here and then we will move forward building that AI workflow. So I'll put the project name and I will put this entire business proposal. So that can come to you email or you are taking any notes from any of your meeting. So I can just paste the proposal in simple text and I will just add the name prepared by, and we are expecting this PPT link to be created by this AI workflow, and I have just saved it and we are waiting for our AI workflow to kick in and create this PPT for us. So our flow has run already and now we have this PPT link. So I will just open this item and we can just copy this link and I will just paste that into a new window. And here we go with our business proposal PPT. So it's simple, straightforward. So you see like AI powered sales assistant platform, and I have all the slides with the executive summary, customer background, and all the information which we have provided into the business proposal. So it has created an intuitive, beautiful PPT for us. And why this approach is better? Like, let's understand why we are using Microsoft 365 Copilot AI workflow instead of Power Automate. Power Automate is an excellent at automation. It can move data, call APIs, but PowerPoint generation is a different problem. A business proposal isn't always 10 slides, or sometimes it needs 8, sometimes 15, and proposal sometimes requires to include the timelines, risk. So trying to create a workflow that handles every possible presentation usually means maintaining all the multiple templates, lot of presentation logic. So instead of doing all this static stuff, so what we are relying over here is this Copilot Studio AI workflow, which can do all the dynamic work for us. So what I am going to do, we are going to start with again Copilot. So I will just open my Copilot Studio to build out that workflow. So we can click on workflow. And our scenario is simple. Imagine a sales team, whenever they need a new proposal, the request will come. So they will actually create an entry over here in this proposal list. And they will write this customer name, prepared by, and all that stuff with the proposal text into the normal language with all the details, executive summary, timelines, deliverables, everything. On kick off this item, whenever this item is saved, then this new AI workflow would be kicked in and will do the generation of PPT for us. So it's simple steps, it's no code required, no third-party connector, nothing else. So I'll start by changing this trigger, and trigger in connector, we will choose this trigger as SharePoint. And when an item is created, and we will set our site address, list name. So this is business proposal list. And in the next step, we are going to use this action at Microsoft 365 Copilot. So this is the magical step which we are going to take help. So if I directly open this M365 Copilot, and if you tell the same thing to it, like generate a PPT, then it will use inbuilt tools to generate that PPT. So the same proposal would be built in the same way. But in any of the workflow, how to integrate it, that's where we are going to take help of this AI workflow. When an item is created, we will call this Microsoft 365 Copilot. And in this one, we are going to pass the detailed instructions to it, what we are expecting to build from this. So what we are going to tell in the message is project name. We'll specify the project name and we will add this from dynamic, this title. The project name is the title. And we'll pass the prepared by. And again, like it's a dynamic column prepared by. And we will then pass the detailed proposal. And this time we'll choose this column proposal. And at last, we are going to say that generate a PPTX file and save it to OneDrive and create a link and has a link created for it. So this is the normal instruction we are passing. And over here, just ensure you have this prefer async clicked. you can create a variable which can actually contain the final link created through the OneDrive PPTX file. So I'll just click on create link. I'll just click on create variable, and in this variable I will just say PPT link, and I will have that running from the expression. I have clicked on this code icon and placing this formula. So first, body of M365 Copilot response, citation, and see more URL. So if you run it alone, you will see like once this step is executed, then we get the response into this M365 Copilot citations under see more URL. So first part of it gives us the actual PPTX link. So I'll show you once we are running this flow, then I'll show you what output which we get. And once we get this final, then over there, like you can either update the SharePoint item, or you can also like send this link into the email. So I'll just pick update item, and clicking update item, again we will connect to the same proposal list, and now we are going to update the PPT link. Selecting the list name as business proposal, ID, we will pick that from our trigger, that ID of that list item. And then instead of this title update, we will just finally update only this PPTX link, and we will read that link from our previous variable where PPT link. So once it is done, you can just simply save it. And once you are done with saving, then you are ready to publish it. So you can publish it, and then this workflow would be ready to be triggered. And now we'll create a new item, new proposal, or I can delete the same one and then we will start from the new one. So I'll delete it, and we will place the same thing. And on saving of this item, our workflow, this AI workflow would be triggered up, and then we will wait that workflow to be completed. We can go back to our activities, and we can see like our flow has been triggered. You can click on this instance and you can see the execution in real time. So our input has been passed to this M365 Copilot, and it may take a couple of minutes to generate out that PPTX file, so you can wait. So this action is executed, and when I click on this M365 Copilot and run details, if I expand output, so you can see in the body we have the citations, and the first see more URL is the actual file which it has created as PPTX file, and the response is done. I created the PowerPoint proposal and saved it into OneDrive. So that is the final response, and which has been captured into the variable as we got this PPTX file into this variable value, and which we directly updated back to our SharePoint. So if I go back over here and I can see my this PPT link has been populated now, I can click on this, copy this link, open the file, and I can see the file created, or this presentation is created for this proposal. So pretty straightforward, pretty clean way of doing it with the help of Microsoft Copilot. So instead of like using Power Automate, which is actually an excellent orchestration business process tool, but for this sort of use case where we want to generate the presentation, so maybe like with Power Automate, we have like a lot of complexities of having third-party connectors or deciding on the slide layouts and all that stuff. But with a simple hack, with this simple trick, you can actually build out these beautiful presentations for your business proposal, or for any of the ideas, maybe like RFE if you're producing, building out request for proposal documents for your organization. So you can very well do that. So as AI capabilities continues to evolve, our way of building out the workflows would also be changing. So instead of like doing the hard work with Power Automate, we can now do a smart work of using Microsoft Copilot agent within our AI workflows, which can do the beautiful work for us. So that was it for today's video, where like we saw how we can orchestrate this workflow using Microsoft 365 Copilot within Copilot Studio. So I hope you like this trick, and if you have any questions, please do drop your comment. I will try to answer. So that is it for today's video. Thank you.